In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check blocked messages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings and then scroll down and tap at messages. If we scroll down, we will find blocked contacts, and if we tap on it, it will show us all the contacts we have blocked, including phone numbers and emails. And the key here is that while the contact is blocked, they are not able to send us messages, and we are not able to get phone calls and messages from the users in that list. If you would like to be able to get messages from that users, the only way to do so is to unblock them. We can swipe to the left and tap at unblock. That's how we can easily allow them to send us messages.